Hello everyone, today's topic is NVR. Let's do some questions in NVR, which is odd one out. Let's look at the question number 1. There's a triangle, circle, trapezium, triangle and a rectangle. Because it is only odd one out and all the shapes are different, shapes are different, that's not gonna give me answer. Lines are two lines, two lines, two lines and two lines. But these two lines are touching the triangle, touching the outer shape, touching the outer shape, touching the outer shape. This line is not touching it, so my answer is going to be E. Let's look at the second question. Odd one out. Remember, some combination of letters. Yeah. There's a star. No star. No star in this. There's no star. The star is missing in this, and there's a star in this. So my answer cannot be two answers, right? So let's look at the tick mark here. 1. Okay, in this it is missing. I have it here, I have it here, I have it here. So only B is the odd one out, which doesn't have the tick mark. It's missing the tick mark. Now let's do one more example for odd one out. Let's look at the shapes. All are circle, nothing in this. I have a plus into plus sign, plus, and plus. Then I have cross mark, cross. I have a tick, two ticks, and two ticks. Okay, I'm not getting anything. Circle. And I have a triangle. Okay, triangle which is inverted. It's inverted, it's not pointing up. Triangle. So it is only option with inverted triangle, so that's gonna be my answer. Now I hope you understood all the odd ones out. These 3 are your homework, 4, 5 and 6. Do them and put the answers in your comment. I'll check it. Thank you. Bye bye.